Well, that was amusing. I still got to work on the clearance between the arm and Marduk's thigh/hip pieces, but the articulation is working out pretty well. Just ignore Judd McStud, he's a total mess at the moment. We can open back, you can see the arms are articulated with Samir 110-pound nylon paracord. And I'm probably going to be getting some thicker stuff because this has a tendency to fall in between these cracks right here whenever there is slack. So thicker stuff. The arms are kind of a little heavier to lift because there is no bungee cords helping out, but I think considering the added articulation we can get out of them as soon as I, put a little bit of space between the body and the arms themselves, I think this will turn out pretty well. I don't know how I'm going to space out the body, maybe build another one of these frames right here, except with this side, move it further out more, by like about 6 inches or so. Not sure what that will do to the structure, but I guess we will see. So, if you do like my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and hold the hand of your mech today. Bye-bye.